What's going on, powerful positive people? Welcome to the Eric Michael Show. On today's video, we will be talking about the law of attraction. Big topic these days, I know. I'll let you in on the secret. Get it? What is it? How does it work? Let's get right into it. All right, so what is the law of attraction? The law of attraction states that whatever you focus your thoughts and energies on, you will attract in your life like a magnet. The idea here is that thoughts become things. So whatever you think about over and over in your mind, you attract into your life. So this guy here is thinking about getting in shape. So he is manifesting this workout equipment. Your mind is like a garden that's going to be growing things whether you plant them or not. So if you don't plant the seeds that you want in your mind will grow weeds. So therefore, think happy thoughts and get happy results, as the law of attraction states. However, on the flip side of that, that means that you're also in control of your negative results. So the law of attraction states that your negative thinking is what is bringing you negative results in your life. So stop thinking negatively, and then therefore you will have a positive and happy life. Now, this is hard to believe. It's like magic, that someone just waves a magic wand and poof, your problems are gone. I do believe in positive thinking and looking at the glass half full rather than being half empty. Matter of fact, I have made a video on how perspective and gratitude are our superpowers. I will put a link to that video below if you want to check it out. And I am aware that the brain will find whatever it's looking for. For example, if you are looking for the number 23, you will find it. Also, I'm very aware that if you don't have confidence, then you will not take action. If you don't think an idea will work, then you probably won't act on it. Also, fear might be paralyzing you, keeping you complacent and from pursuing your goals. If you want your life to change, then you have to be that change. The problem is we get comfortable and we get complacent. We take that first job that comes along, never planning on staying there, and then we get stuck. So to get unstuck, you got to get uncomfortable. One of my issues with the law of attraction comes down to competition. So they say that you have to believe in yourself and you have to visualize your results that you want. But in competitions, everybody's visualizing themselves winning and everybody wants to win. Everybody believes they can win and everybody trains to win. But there is only one winner. So how does that make any sense? Another problem I have with the law of attraction comes down to the problem of innocence. Why do evil things happen to innocent people? The law of attraction would state that you bring about your own experiences by your thoughts. So does that mean that victims of violent crimes or natural disasters or diseases or COVID or somebody that's been raped or molested or maybe someone who's had the death of a loved one, did they bring about these negative experiences by negative thoughts? Would you go into a children's hospital and tell all the terminally ill children that it was their own thinking that brought them this demise? I don't think so. The third and final problem I have with the law of attraction is that it seems to be a bit anti-Christian. If you think that the world, God, all of the universe, and all of reality lives to serve you, like you're some kind of genie, then I think you missed the point that a very important man named Jesus, who became God, came to this world to teach us. I believe that we are actually meant to serve God, the world, each other, and all of reality, not the other way around. Now, I do think that there is some scripture-based truth here. For example, James 5:16, the earnest prayer of a righteous person has great power and produces wonderful results. So I believe that we are all made in God's image and have a little bit of his divinity and creative power inside of us. And that is why we are able to do great things when we put our minds to it. It's not because we're magical genies where the universe wants to serve us. I just wanted to remind you the dangers of not following God. But with all that said, I have had some remarkable things come into my life that are hard to explain, like my beautiful, sweet wife, Kaylee. I got a car, I've gotten jobs, and this guy got a PlayStation 5 back when they were impossible to find. So there might be some truth to the law of attraction. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below, and I'll see you guys next week for another dose of positive refreshment on Eric Michael Show. Take care. Please help me grow and tell your friends about me. It'll help me more than you know. I appreciate it.